Ayo, what's going on, guys? And today we're doing something different. Guys, I have found a glitch, so I went onto YouTube. I was just searching up some glitches, and then there's a really recently one that I found out from Noobite PG3D. That guy's an excellent YouTuber. I mean, go subscribe to him. He's my source. So apparently the orbital pistol makes you invincible for around 3 or 4 seconds.
Hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
So like you're gonna be immortal. You're not gonna take damage when the person shoots you.
This is bullshit.
Use shotgun. See? I didn't take any damage. Look at that. No damage. See, look at this. Invincible for around a few seconds, guys. So okay, there he took damage because there you go. We're going to be using, look at that, guys, no damage. Alright, so I'm going to shoot my weapon, and he shoots, no damage whatsoever. There you go. We're not taking any sorts of damage. He's going to use the last squeak. Nothing. For like 2-3 seconds, nothing. Nice sniper. So the sniper will be the last test. Bang. Okay, so it reduces the damage. Just to notify you guys, he's using a sniper, which is the block rifle, which is a one-shot headshot with modules, and it's barely doing 30 to 40 damage here. So ooh, look at that. No damage. Ready? Blocks this. Yes, it blocks this, guys. This was tested with the heavy sniper rifle and it completely blocked it. And plus, let's use the one shot. Okay. Yup, the one shot is blocked. That's how it is. And this weapon is also blocked. So this is one heck of a glitch. I mean, I'm sure PG3D will patch this in days.